Hey everybody, it's been a while, but it's Miss Suzanne with SLP Play With Me. And guess what? We are going to learn where sounds happen in our mouths. So I like to think of where our sounds are just by thinking of front, pop, 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 middle, ta, 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 and back. Or back here. So, if you think of sounds of just like front, pa, 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 middle, ta, 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 and and back, you can make so many combinations. Sometimes I move my fingers to the back to make sure that I don't put my tongue forward like this. Unless I really want to say words like thank you. So let's try it with the puppets to have some fun. Kenny, Kenny, where are you? Kenny, Kenny, come on, get over here. Hey, yeah, you want to know how to say my name? My name is, here, I'll help you out. Kenny. Yeah, Kenny. That's right. And who else do we have right now? I know a puppet that has some sounds in his name that come out of the front of our mouth. Let's see who this is. Bob. B-O-B. He's not always that nice, but, he does have a pretty cool name because it happens all the way in the front of our mouth like this. Bob. Bob. Yeah. Bob. He is right. His name is Bob. And we have other sounds that are kind of hard to say sometimes because they have tons of air that come through our mouth, like shh, and some other air with tongue sounds like this, ch and j. Oh, those are harder sounds to say, but I think you can do them because you are smart, beautiful, nice, good, and talented. So let's see somebody who has a sound in his name that has a lot of air. Actually, two of the sounds have a lot of air. It goes like this. Chef. Chef. And notice how I put my two fingers out there to show where the teeth come out too. So it's still a front sound, like still in the front, but I can also tell myself with my two fingers to make sure that those teeth come out too, like this. Chef. Chef. Let's go see if he's here. Chef, where are you? Pepperoni pizza. Pepperoni pizza. Chef. Chef. Let's try to say it slower so we know where it happens at. Ready? Pizza. Pizza. Now, the reason why I go za instead of sa is because we want to remind our tongue to stay back behind our teeth. So let's try it again. Pizza. That was pretty good. And you can even do crazy stuff like pepperoni. Did another one of those things in the front of the mouth because I was telling my lips to get that R sound around my lips here. So I would go pepperoni. And I also, so many sounds. I also put my finger near my nose, not in it. But I put my finger near my nose to make sure that I use my nose sound too, like nee. So, still a middle sound. Pepperoni pizza. Okay, Chef, you're being kind of impulsive. Let's try another guy. Now, his sound is in the back. So I might say things like this. Jose. Yeah. What's up, dude? My name is Jose. Yeah, that is a cool name. Do you like my red shoes? Okay, Jose, we're not talking about your red shoes right now. We're talking about how to say your name and where all the sounds are in our mouth. Let's try it again. Jose. Wow, that was a pretty cool name too. And guess what? Pretty easy. Well, sometimes it's easy to say this lady's name because she's so proper and she wants it to be done properly. Hello, my name is Miss Emma. So we take open, Emma, open, close, open, open, Emma. Pretty cool. So you can show when you have an open mouth too, like Emma. Open, close, open, very properly. So let's try to do the ABCs with front, middle, back. It seems so complex and so many things. And it's called a really difficult name like Dynamic Temporal Tactile Cuing. And all that stuff means is dynamic, it moves. Temporal, it's timed. Tactile, I can probably touch. And cue means I'll help you out. So let's try that wild dynamic temporal tactile cuing and with our ABCs. Okay, so doesn't have to be perfect. Just remember front, middle, back, and where your tongue is you can use with your fingers. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So really, front, middle, back. Practice with your ABCs or some of your favorite puppets' names. And remember, you are smart, beautiful, nice, good, and talented. And work hard, and most of all, have fun. Have a great day, and see you soon.